In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show closed tasks in ClickUp. If you're trying to find completed work or review tasks that have already been finished, this is a very useful feature to know. By default, closed tasks may be hidden from your current view, so in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reveal them and then hide them again whenever you no longer need to see them. To get started, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're in the correct account area where your projects and tasks are stored. This is important because the setting you're looking for will only affect the location you're currently viewing. Next, open the space, folder or list that contains the tasks you want to check. You'll want to navigate to the exact area where those tasks were originally created or managed. If you're working in a large workspace, taking a second to confirm you're in the right list can save time and help you avoid confusion, especially if similar tasks exist in different places. Once you're in the correct task view, look at the toolbar above the task list. In that toolbar, find the Closed button. This control gives you access to visibility options for tasks that have already been completed or marked as closed. If you don't usually work with finished tasks, it can be easy to overlook this option, so make sure to scan the top area carefully. Click the Closed button and then turn on Show Closed Tasks. As soon as this option is enabled, ClickUp will display your completed and closed tasks in the current view. This makes it much easier to review previous work, confirm that something was finished, or locate a task that seems to have disappeared from the active list. Now you'll be able to view those closed tasks directly alongside the rest of your tasks in that same area. Keep in mind that this only changes what you see in the current view, so if you switch to another space, folder or list, you may need to repeat the same process there. When you're done reviewing them, you can hide them again at any time. Just click Closed once more and turn off Show Closed Tasks. That will remove the closed items from view and return your task list to a cleaner, more focused layout. And that's all it takes to show closed tasks in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.